Problem number 8 of round 1 of 2015 MIT integration B, which is the definite integral from x equals to 1 to x equals to 2 of the square of x plus 1 times the cube of 1 minus 1 over x. So this is a problem that tripped everyone that here. Let's see how we may be able to solve it. Out of the x plus 1 squared, right? And what that allows us to do is we do have a difference of two squares here under the square. And so we have 1 plus 1 over x, and then we have 1 minus 1 over x. And then we can create this extra, since this was cube, 1 minus 1 over x. So that becomes the integral from x equals to 1 to 2 of x squared of 1 minus 1 over x squared times 1 minus 1 over x. And then when you multiply x squared with this component, it becomes now the integral from x equals to 1 to 2 of x minus 1 over x squared times 1 minus 1 over x. Now you can square these so that you get x squared minus 2 plus 1 over x squared times 1 minus 1 over x. So this is easy to multiply. So there's the entire thing multiplied by 1, and then you can multiply by negative 1 over x and add everything. So we have now the integral from x to 1, x equals to 2 of x squared minus 2 plus 1 over x squared minus x plus 2 over x minus 1 over x cubed. So now if we rearrange it so that we have the descending powers in the order of descending powers, so we have the integral from x equals to 1 to 2 of x squared minus x minus 2 plus 2 over x plus 1 over x squared minus 1 over x to the power 3. This expression that we have gotten now can be integrated in such a way that x squared integrated becomes x cubed. And then minus x becomes minus x squared over 2. 2 becomes minus 2x. 2 over x becomes 2 log x. Plus 1 over x squared becomes minus 1 over x. Minus 1 over x to the power 3 becomes plus 1 over 2x squared. And then applying the limits, so we have 8 over 3 minus, when we substitute 2 to x to the power 3 over 3, and then we have, with this we have 4 over 2 minus 4 plus 2 log 2 minus 1 over 2 plus the eighth minus, and we substitute 1, we have a third minus 2 plus 2 log 1, and 2 log 1 becomes 0 because log of 1 is 0, minus 1 plus 1 over 2. Now looking here, the common denominator would have to be 24, and so if you do that, so we have 24 divided by 3 times 8 is 64, 24 minus 24 divided by 2 times 4 is minus 48, 24 times 4 is minus 96, and then here we have minus a half, when 24 divided by 2 is 12 times 1 is minus 12 plus 3 minus 8 minus 12 minus 48 minus 24 plus 12. So it's easy to first of all combine minus 48 and minus 12, which is minus 60, and then minus 96 is 1 minus, that's minus 156, plus 64 plus 3, which is 67, and then you subtract. Here again you can combine minus 12 and minus 48 to be minus 60, and then minus 24, which is minus 84, and then you add 20, so eventually you get minus 25 over 24 plus 2 log 2. 2 log 2 is the same as log 2 to the power 2, which is log 4, and the answer here is log 4 minus 25 over 24, and that's the final answer.